Hi guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I expect Bitcoin to do on the next few days, how are the bots doing. Also going to be talking about liquidations, how is the trading volume, and what point of the bull market we're in. All right, so let's go. First of all, we're going to take Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, I'm pretty sure that you guys know we had a big dump on Monday. Now, one of the things that we can be a little bit afraid of is, one of the things that we should keep in mind is that these may be an ABC correction. Yeah. ABC, that's on Elliott Wave's count. I'm not saying that the price can go down to 104. It can actually go down to 102, but 107, it's a big support at the moment. Now, why we bounce here to the downside? If we do a Fibonacci retracement and we take a look at the golden pocket, we just get it here. There you go. And we move it to the right. You can see that the price bounced almost to the dollar with the golden ratio, found resistance, and now it's going down. Now, how low can it go? Can it go lower? Well, if we do the golden ratio from this movement, you find this, the golden ratio has been hit. Yeah, the golden pocket has been hit. Now, it doesn't mean that it cannot go lower and touch it again. It can certainly do it. But there is a couple of signals that say that probably we're going to bounce probably to 115,000, and then we will see. And those things are, you can see them by the money flow index and MACD from the 4-hour, and you can see that we have bullish divergences. What does it mean? Well, we have this going up and we have this going down. We also have this going down and we have the MACD going up. This is in the 4-hour chart. So we can expect a little bit of bounce here between today and Friday, and touch the 115,000, and then we will see. We will see how the market is. If it reaches 115 and finds resistance, the price can go lower. If we consider this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott Wave count, this could be a wave A, then wave B, and then wave C, and final lower low. So we will see, but for now, yeah, a bounce to 115,000 is the most plausible thing to happen for the rest of the week. Now, that is good because the bots that I have trading, all of them are in range and all of them are trading. Now, the good thing is that every single thing that went down, Ethereum, Solana, SUI, and XRP, all of them, the grid has been buying. The bots have been buying. So the moment we find that bounce in the next 2 to 3 days, the bots will be selling, and this is going to be bigger and it's going to make the total probably green on all of the bots. Now, another thing, on Monday, I show you that I put an extra 33% of investment on Ethereum, 33% of investment on SUI, and I also added a 12% extra on XRP. Well, after this dump on Bitcoin on Monday and seeing that the price has been coming lower, I also added on Solana, I added a 50% onto the Solana bot, and I added a 20% on Bitcoin. So now my investments are bigger because I expect the price to go again to 150,000 in the next 2 or 3 days. And once we get there, I will see if I remove a little bit of investment or if I just leave it, depending on what the market is doing. But yeah, a few things we can see on the liquidations. You see that there's a lot of money in 118, 119,000, but there's also a little bit on 109. So we'll see where the market makers wants to take us. And there's money to be grabbed and people to get liquidated on the lower band and also on the higher band. So again, we are in the middle. But yeah, I definitely think that for now, in the next 2 or 3 days, we're going to go to 150,000. But then maybe we can find a correction going a little bit lower. Or if we plow through for any good news that could come from the United States or from the major markets, we can maybe go up because NASDAQ, it doesn't stop going up, to be honest. So it's making higher highs nonstop. So that should affect on crypto, and that should give us a nice pump. Now, one thing that we can see on the exchange is that we are getting into a squeeze. We are not doing higher highs on the volume, but we are not doing lower lows on the volume. So at any moment, this is going to go up or this is going to go up. If this goes up and there's more money being traded on crypto, obviously it's going to affect on the price and everything will go higher. But yeah, we are at the end of September. We know that September usually is a red month. For now, it's still a green month, but yeah, just brace yourselves, keep trading, keep your bots trading inside of the range, and wait for October for a better month. If we go to the short-term holder NVRV ratio, as I told you a few times on the channel, it's a good moment to sell every time this red line catches this orange line in here in the middle, and right now we are far away from it. If we get lower into the blue one, it will be a great moment to buy and exchange some USDT for altcoins, probably more than Bitcoin, because we're getting close to altcoin season. But for now, is a wait and see. It's not a moment to sell, and it's not a moment to buy. Although I added to my bots, but I on the ones with dollars, as I say, I added 33% last Monday. And on the ones with M coins, I just added some crypto that I had playing on my wallet. And finally, confidence that we are at the peak, 74. As you know, as long as we are below 80, everything is fine. If we cross 80 on the upside, then it's probably a good moment to start selling part of the bags. And if we are above 90, it is a good moment to probably sell almost everything, if not everything. On the portfolio. But for now, we're in 74, so there's still time. There's still weeks to be making money on the great buzz. And that's about it. I hope you guys stay on the green, be happy, and remember that if you want to trade with Pionex and you want to get a discount on your fees, use the link in the description. Again, you can see that's 1,000 transactions. That's 1,200 transactions. So yeah, use the link if you want to. Anyway, I will see you on Friday. Have a nice one. Bye.